Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Genopets on the FTX app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the FTX app, then go to the invest section, which is on the left side of the screen. And here, if you want to invest in any cryptos, you can either go to the search bar to find the coin that you are looking for. We are looking for Genopets, but you can also scroll down a little bit to the tradable assets section, and in that to the crypto section. And here you can see some of the most popular cryptos on the side. So if you scroll down here, it's always a useful thing because you can find some new cryptos that might be worthy to invest in. So yeah, here is Genopets, and when you choose a crypto, you just have to tap on it, and it's going to open up the profile page of the crypto, where you can see some of the statistics regarding this crypto in the last 24 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 1 year. But obviously this crypto is younger than a year, so that's why it doesn't show up for the whole year. So this is how this crypto is going, which is quite good. And below that you can see some more information, for example the volume traded in the last 24 hours, and it should show also the popularity, market capital, and circulating supply for the crypto, but it's not showing it right now. I don't know why. And yeah, when you have decided to invest in a crypto, you just have to tap on buy, which is going to open up the investing page for this crypto. I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to share my personal information here, but when it opens up, you just have to type in the amount that you would like to purchase, or the money that you would like to invest, and that's pretty much it. You can go on with your investment, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.